Hello parents, this is Dr. Sagareeka Bhatia, an author, a global speaker and an education thought leader. Well parents, the whole world is talking about ChatGPT. So as parents, this is something that you need to be informed how and what to speak to your children about ChatGPT. Number one, please inform your child that ChatGPT, if you need to log in, you need to share your personal details, and these personal details, if your child is under 13, is illegal according to the COPPA Act, that is Child Online Privacy Protection Act. So number two is that it has always to be used under adult supervision or caregivers. Number three, if your child needs to use this information for a project and needs to get a bibliography, it's not possible for the simple reason that ChatGPT doesn't give you the source from which it's getting the information. Number four is that ChatGPT, using it is plagiarism and it is cheating. You can use it for information, just for you to get knowledge about few things, but then you cannot copy it verbatim over there. That is plagiarism and cheating. Number four is that the information that you're getting on ChatGPT, there is no source that can authenticate the information because it is a pool of information available online. So there is no authenticity. Please be aware. So parents, please keep your children aware about what is ChatGPT and how to use it frugally. Hello parents, this is Dr. Sagareeka Bhatia, an author, a global speaker and an education thought leader. Happy parenting.